Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. Okay, are you ready?
Good morning. Yes. Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What can you see?
A clock.
Excellent.
Clock.
Perfect. So today we are going to learn about time. We are going to learn how to read the clock, how to read it, how to write it or tell it. Okay? Telling the time. Today we're going to learn how to tell the time, how to read the clock. And we're going to start with the easiest one. Okay?
Miss.
Yes, miss.
I know how to read the clock.
Okay, good boy. Now, today we're gonna start with the basics, okay? Okay, let's start.
Can I drink water?
Miss, if you need water or bathroom, do it without asking me, okay? Go drink water, go to the bathroom without asking me, okay? Yeah, let's start. So in front of you here, you can see a clock. This clock, today we're gonna learn how to read it, okay? First of all, we have two kinds of clocks. We have the analog clock and we have the digital clock. So this one is an analog clock. This one is a digital. Now, if you look inside the analog clock, you can see hands. You can see a short hand and a long hand. This short hand, okay, will help us to talk about hours. The long hand will help us to talk about minutes. So inside the clock, we have hours, we have minutes, okay? The short hand represent the hours, the long hand represent the minutes. Later, you're gonna find something else. We have another hand which represent the seconds. هلا احنا السكندز we are not going to talk about it at all. We're gonna focus only on the minutes hand and the hours hand. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Now,
Yes.
if you look inside the clock, you can see numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These numbers will help us to read the hours. So if I put the hour hand on number 9, I'm talking about the hours here, 9 o'clock or 9 something, okay? But if I put the minutes hand on number 1, it doesn't mean 1. It doesn't mean 2. Here I'm talking about the minutes, okay? Which we will talk about it later in details, okay? Now, let's focus on the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12. These numbers belong to the hours. هاي الأرقام اللي عم بتشوفوها they represent the hours. Yes, teacher.
Teacher, now we come.
Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna repeat, don't worry. The one who came late, اللي إجوا متأخرين يا مس. We are talking about time. We are studying a new chapter, a new unit, okay, which is about time. Today, our lesson about how to read the clock. I'm telling you now the basics. How this is the one that in front of me is an analog clock, and this one is a digital clock. Now, inside the analog clock, we have two hands, a short hand and a long hand. The short hand represent the hours, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The long hand represent the minutes. Now, between the numbers here, you can see small lines. شايفين هدول الخطوط الصغيرة يا مس؟ These lines will help us to count the minutes. So if you start counting from after the 12 here, the 12 will be 0. After that, you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next to the 1, we can say 5, but this 5, it means the minutes. Okay, so I have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. هدول الأرقام اللي بحكيهم يا مس skip counting by 5, 5, 10, 15. These are belong to the minutes. لهذا الخط. The minutes hand.
مس
أنا
هلا جيت.
Okay يا مس حبيبي. I'm gonna repeat. Don't worry. الأشياء اللي بحكيها حاول تعيدها يا سيف. Okay? Let me finish and I will answer all your questions. Okay? حتى هلا أنا عم بحكي أساسيات basics. Okay? بعدين حنرد نعيد. We're gonna talk in details. Okay? So let me. Yes. Yes, miss.
Can you hear me? Go to the bathroom.
Again, I will not repeat this again. If you need the bathroom, go to the bathroom without asking me. Deal? Yeah. So here.
Miss.
Yes, miss.
Can you hear me?
I can hear everybody. Okay? Yeah. So let's start all over again. So I'm talking here about the clock, how to read the time. Okay? This is an analog clock. I have two hands, short hand and the long hand. Okay? Which will help us to read the clock, to read the time. We have another kind of clocks, which is the digital one. إذن هاي الساعة بنحكي عنها digital وهاي بنحكي عنها analog. Now, inside the analog clock, I have two hands. Okay, the short one represent the hours, the long one represent the minutes. Okay, if I look at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 12, these all belong to the hours. If I look at the long hand here, I will not read. Miss, let me finish please, don't interrupt me. خليني بس أخلص بعدين بسمعكم. Okay, if you look at the long hand, this one, okay, I'm not gonna read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna read the skip count. You're gonna skip counting by 5, or you're gonna read the small numbers here. So here it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I'm gonna say number 5, not number 1. هذا كله لسه أنا عم بحكي أساسيات. Okay, now we're gonna start with the easiest one. How to say 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Let's start with the first number here. تفرجوا لي على هاي يا مس. Okay, when I say 1 o'clock, it means that the long hand should be on number 12 and the short hand should be on number 1. How to read 1 o'clock? لما كيف بدي أقرأ الساعة واحدة. Okay, when I say o'clock, okay, 1 o'clock. Number 1 here, it means the hours hand should goes to number 1 and the minutes hand should be on number 12 to make it 0, 0. Okay, this is 1 o'clock. If I need to make 2 o'clock, هلا بدي أخليها الساعة 2. 2 o'clock. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna move the minutes hand a complete hour. مشيتها يا مس complete hour. شوفوا كيف يا مس. Look at the minutes hand. The minutes hand is moving faster than the hour hand. Okay, see what happened here? Now, the minutes hand again on number 12. The hours hand is on number 2. Now it's 2 o'clock. How does it look at it now? How did I make 2 o'clock? I put the short hand on number 2 and the long hand on number 12. This is 2 o'clock. Okay, again, I'm gonna make, let's say 6 o'clock. بدي أخلي الساعة 6. Here, I'm gonna make it 6 o'clock. So, what shall I put? Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
How get to 12? 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, I will show you. Just a minute, okay? هلا بفرجيك how. Okay? طب, who's asking first?
Me.
Say your name. Saya, okay. Saya.
Malak.
Okay, let's start with Saya. Saya, I need now to make 6 o'clock, okay? To make it 6 o'clock, what shall I put here on number 6? Shall I put the hours hand or the minutes hand?
The hours hand.
Okay, so look at me here. I'm going to put the hours hand on number 6, and to make it 6 o'clock, I need to put the minutes hand on number 12. Look, now it's 6 o'clock. Okay, because I said o'clock, I have to put the minutes hand on number 12. كلمة o'clock معناتها لازم أخلي إيش؟ The minutes hand on number 12. This is 6 o'clock. Okay, you ask me about 12 o'clock. Because it's 12 o'clock, I have to put the hours hand on number 12. Look, it's on number 12. ماشي هيها number 12. But is this o'clock 12 o'clock? No. I have to put the minutes hand also on number 12. It looks like this. So this is a 12 o'clock. Why? Because both of them, the minutes hand and the hours hand, are on number 12. This is 12 o'clock. Okay, let's make 9 o'clock. Where shall I put the hours hand? Who knows? Mira or Malak?
9.
Where shall I put number 9? The hours hand. وين بدي أحط الhours hand? I need 9 o'clock. Who knows the answer?
Sarah.
Yes, Sarah.
Safe.
Where shall I need 9 o'clock? Where shall? Yes, I'm gonna put the hours hand on numbers on number 9. Okay, what about the minute hand? Where shall I put it? On what?
At the 12. On the 12.
Yes, excellent. On number 12.
At the 12.
That's why this is 9. Yes, this is 9 o'clock. Now, let's go here. This is how to show you o'clock. 9 o'clock, look. 10 o'clock. See, this is 10 o'clock. Okay, 11 o'clock.
Miss?
12 o'clock.
Teacher.
Yes, miss. 1 o'clock. Okay, Malak.
Teacher, can I tell you something?
Yes, miss.
If the clock hits 12 and I want to, and it's gonna be, I want to wait 1 hour. How many minutes I'm gonna wait?
60 minutes, Habibti. It's 12 o'clock and you have to wait 1 hour. So when I'm going to move here 1 hour, look at me. I'm moving from the 12 to number 1. So here I'm moving 1 hour. This hour means 60 minutes. This one we're gonna take it later. هذا السؤال يا مس حندرسه. We're gonna study it later, okay? How many minutes in the hour? How many seconds in the minute? In details, okay? But today we're gonna yes, miss.
When we was in grade 1, Daddy tell us like this things, but in Arabic.
Perfect, and it's correct. Thank you, dear.
Teacher.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do grade 2? Miss, just a minute.
Teacher.
Let me finish first, Miss Habibi. Okay. Now, here I already explained for you about the o'clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Now, let's go to the half o'clock. When I say half, okay, listen carefully. When I say half, it means that I have to put the minutes hand not on number 12. I'm gonna put it on number 6, like this. Oops. See? Now, the long hand, this one is on number 6. Because the long hand is exactly on number 6, the long hand, not the short hand, the long hand, the minutes hand is on number 6. Because it's on number 6, it means I'm talking about 30 minutes, half. Now look at the hours hand. It's between 2 numbers, okay? Between number 1 and number 2. So here, this is not o'clock, this is 1:30. The hours hand between 2 numbers, I will look at the first one, okay? Or the smallest one, which is number 1, okay? So here, it is 1:30. 1:30. Yes, Masa, what's your question?
I don't have a question.
Who said miss?
Not me. Yusuf.
Yes, Yusuf.
Teacher, me. Miss, you learned us that grade 1.
Okay, Yusuf. Okay. So today we are learning how to read o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 1:30 something. 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. Okay, I'm gonna show you now 5:30. Okay, or 4:30. Let's make it 4:30 because I said half past something. Half. Where shall I put the minutes hand? I said half. Where shall I put the minutes hand?
The 6.
On the 6, number 6.
6.
Okay, I said 4:30. Look, it's 4:30. Look, here, it's 4:30. I put the minutes hand on number 6 and the hours hand, it's now between two numbers, between the 4 and the 5. That means that it's now 4:30. I chose the smallest number 4, not 5. So this clock means that it is 4:30. Look at the digital one here. It says 4:30. It's the same thing, but this is a digital, this is analog. Here I will say 4:30. Here I'm gonna say 4:30. Okay? I'm gonna ask you now, if I put the hours hand between 8 and 9, okay? And I will put the minutes hand on number 6. Who can read the clock? Say your name.
Me.
Say the
Muhammad.
Muhammad. يلا يا محمد. محمد. Look at Muhammad. Yeah. What's the time now? The minutes hand is on number 6. And the hours hand between 8 and 9.
8:30.
Excellent. 8:30 because the minutes hand on number 6 and the hours hand between 8 and 9. طب, who can read this clock?
Me. Yusuf.
يوسف. يلا يا يوسف.
Hamza.
Yusuf.
9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. Excellent. Hamza, I'm going to ask you this question. Read the clock. What's the clock now? Hamza. The minutes hand is on number 6. Shall I say o'clock or half?
No.
Who can help Hamza?
Me. محمد.
سند. يلا سند. سند القاسم. سند القاسم.
Abdullah.
Half
9.
9. Excellent. It is half past.
I see half.
Okay.
Teacher.
Excellent. Hamza, excellent. Everybody, excellent. Thank you. It is 9:30 because the minutes hand is on number 6. I'm gonna say half. And wait, Yaman. And the hours hand is between 8 and 9. So it is 9:30. Okay. Now I need everybody. Please, I'm gonna show you now.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, Yaman.
What is this blue line? What is the blue
I already
line?
told you, the one that who came late. This is blue line, okay? This is the second hand, but we're gonna study it later, okay? So this hand is the second hand because some clocks, they have second hands. So the basic hands are the hours hand and the minutes hand. في ساعات يا مس بحطوا لهم second hand, okay? But not all of them, okay? Now everybody please, I'm gonna show you now a video which is about the clock, how to read the time, okay?
But
Here.
teacher.
Yes, Zaid.
Teacher, can you hear me? I got 2 things to say.
Yes, Zaid.
But when the minutes hand it's in the 6, and when the hour in between the 1 and 12 it's gonna be the 12. But
Wait. When the hours hand between what and what?
Between 1 and 12.
1 and 12.
Why it's gonna be in the 12, not in the 1?
Okay, thank you. This is an exception. Thank you, yeah, Zaid. Thank you for telling me that.
Teacher.
Okay. Listen. Zaid, he has a smart question. Everybody listen to Zaid. When the hours hand between the 12 and the 1, I usually told you have to choose the smallest number. But here, if I choose the smallest number, I'm going to choose number 1, which is wrong. You have to go to the 12, our previous number, okay? So if you count, if you move clockwise, okay, you have to go backward and choose the previous one. So here you have to choose 12. You're going to say 12:30. So the answer here is 12:30. Okay, this is the only exception that you have to use the 12, not the 1. Thank you, Zaid, for your question. It's perfect.
Second thing.
Something is noisy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm gonna.
I have a second thing.
Miss, everybody's talking. Zaid. Okay, please, Zaid. What's your second question, Zaid? Zaid, unmute and tell me what's your question. Zaid Namruti. What's your second question?
If it says mean 6 o'clock. If it's 6 o'clock,
Okay.
we can.
Where shall I put the hours hand?
The hours in the 6.
Okay, and the minutes hand?
12.
Perfect. So this is 6 o'clock. I'm gonna ask you now this one, Yazid. Okay.
I
What
want-
about this one? Please read this one.
Half 6:30. Half past 6.
Excellent, excellent. 6:30 or 6:30 or 6:30. All of them correct. Thank you. What about this one? Yeah, quickly. What about this one?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. What about this one?
6. It is
11.
11. 11:30.
Excellent. I can say excellent. I can say 11:30 or 11:30. Okay, now let's watch this video, please.
I want to continue my question. If the
Yes, Zaid.
if
If the
the
what?
hours hand, if it is 6 o'clock, we want to put it in the 12 o'clock. We need 6 hours.
Miss, this one we're gonna study it later. How many minutes in the hour and how many hours when I move from clock to clock. This one later, Zaid. Okay? Let's slow down. شوي شوي يا زيد لأنه هذا شوي حناخده بعدين. Okay? Okay, Zaid. Miss, what are you talking about? We're gonna take it later in more details. Let's focus today only on the o'clock and 30:30. Now, everybody, I need you to watch this movie. Yeah, let's start. Everybody, can you see this movie? This video? Miss, I need you to watch this video. So everybody, please look at the video here. If you see now, okay, I have a clock. Okay? I have a clock. Can you see? Miss, can you see the video?
Yes, we can see it now.
Okay. So
We can
everybody,
see it 100%, teacher.
what's your man?
Some clocks, they make IV, not like numbers 1, 2, 3.
Yes, this is
They
these
make
are Greek numbers. Miss, these numbers are Greek numbers. We're gonna take them later, okay? Yeah, let's focus now. Everybody, please. Okay, if you look at this video here, you can see a clock. Okay, let's start all over again. Telling time to the hour. Here, I can see the hours hand is on number 1 and the minutes hand is on number 12. Please, listening time. It's listening time. Please watch. So because of that, it says that it's 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Okay, let's continue now. Look what will happen. Now, look at the hours hand. Where's the hour hand and the minute hand? The minute hand is on number 12 and the hour hand is on number 3. That's why we will say it is 3 o'clock. Okay.
Teacher, I can't hear.
What, miss? Wait.
I can't
You-
hear.
Here?
Yeah.
Can you hear my voice now?
Yes.
Okay, it's
But
only
the
about you.
video.
No, miss, I need you to watch, miss, grade 2. I need you to watch it only and listen to my voice. That's it only. Just listen to my voice and look at the video only without, okay?
Miss, did you make the video?
No, miss. Some of them I did it, some of them not. Okay. So please, can you please everybody look at the video? Don't waste your time. This is your time. Okay. Let's continue. Now look at here. What happened? The minutes hand is on number 12. And the hours hand is on number 6. That's why we're gonna say it is what? 6 o'clock. So this is 6 o'clock. Okay, let's go to another one. Who knows what's the time? Quickly.
9 o'clock. Muhammad, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, perfect.
9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock because
11:25.
it's 9 o'clock. The minutes hand on number 12, the hours hand on number 9. Who can read this one?
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Look at both of them. The minutes hand and the hours hand are on number 12. Okay, let's continue. Let's
Can
continue.
you repeat the video?
It's 12.
O'clock.
It's 12 o'clock. Okay, now let's look at all of them. This is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4
o'clock.
5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. This is how to read o'clock. It is number o'clock. Now I'm gonna show you another one. Teacher, let me finish, Habibi. I'm gonna show you another which is about the half. Okay?
Can you repeat the video because my network wasn't here. And then I can't do it.
Harder. I'm gonna repeat again.
Now,
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna repeat. I'm gonna show you the second one, then we will repeat them again. Don't worry. Okay? Please wait. Okay. Everybody, can you see this video? Grade 2, can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's telling time to the half hour. Who said teacher? Who's saying teacher?
Sarah.
What, Saya? What do you want, Saya?
If we fix the hours at the first, the long one as the first, and the short one, that's on. It's between 12 and 11.
Again, the hours hand should be where? Between 12 and 11?
12 and 6.
Saya.
12 and 6.
Saya, I can't hear you. Miss, let's not waste, Miss Habibti, let's not waste our time, okay? Let's see this video, then we will continue, okay? بعدين بشوف سؤالك ايش هو حبيبتي، بلاش نضيع على اصحابك الوقت, okay? Everybody now look at this one. Yeah, look at the clock here. If you look at the time here, the minutes hand is exactly on number 6, and the hours hand is between 2 numbers, okay, between 1 and 2. Because of that, I'm gonna choose the first one, the previous one, which is number 1. So here I'm gonna say 1:30. 1:30. Now, another example. The minutes hand again on number 6, and the hours hand between 4 and 5. So who knows what shall I say in this case? I'm gonna say half past 4. Excellent. 4:30. Okay, another example.
6:30.
Excellent. 6:30. Excellent. Half past 6. Okay, another example. Who can read this one? This one, Zaid asked me about it. Remember, Zaid?
12, half past 12, half past 12, half past 12.
Excellent. Half past 12. Look at it, Zaid. I'm gonna choose the first number, the previous number, اللي قبليهم, yeah, which is 12. Half past 12. So here, if you look at these clocks, here, half past 1, half past 2, half past 3, half past 4,
half past 5, half past 6, half past 7, half past 8, half past 9, half past 10, half past 11.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yes, thank you. Grade 2 for the. This is the last thing. First of all, our class is done. Next, tomorrow we're gonna do the textbook. Tomorrow we will continue the same lesson. هنكمل نفس الدرس. But we're gonna work on the textbook. Again, tomorrow we're gonna continue the same lesson. هنكمل نفس الدرس. But we're gonna focus only on the textbook. Okay?
In listening together.
What, miss?
Teacher.
Okay. Okay, dear everybody. I have to go because we have another class. I need to be now in the 2H. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I love you all.
I love you.